Alright guys, another unboxing video for you guys, going through the Black Friday haul, and we got ourselves a mouse upgrade, a keyboard upgrade, and a mousepad upgrade, and a monitor, because our secondary monitor died on us, but that's coming in another video. But for now, we have the Razer BlackWidow Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, made by Razer, by gamers, for gamers, with all the lovely RGB that helps you to become a better gamer, because more rainbow colors equal more FPS equal more gaming skill. So with that being said, this keyboard we actually got with, if I recall correctly, orange mechanical keyboard switches, so they have a tactile feel, but they are not as loud as the green mechanical switches, so that I'm not bothering my wife at night when she's sleeping. So as you can see here on the bottom of the box, I don't know if that's focused enough for you guys, bam, it says orange, Razer orange switches, tactile and silent. So I believe there are three options. You have green switches, which are tactile and loud, the orange that we have, which are tactile and silent, and you have yellow, which I believe are silent and linear. Not 100% sure what the fuck linear means, but I'm assuming it's hella quiet. So upon opening the box, you are greeted to a little pamphlet pouchlet thingy here saying congratulations and welcome to the next level of gaming, etc, etc. You see the Razer logo and the Razer slogan, for gamers by gamers. Watch that to the side here. And then getting into the nitty gritty, you see our lovely brand new keyboard. I'm sure you can probably hear this picking up on the microphone. And if these are the silent ones and tactile, I don't even want to know how loud the green switches were, because these are actually not that quiet, but not that loud, I guess. So I'm okay with this. Let's open up this. Welcome to the cult of Razer. Mwahahaha. We're officially indoctrinated in the cult of Razer. So opening up all this extra stuff here, and then taking out this bad boy out of the box. So we see our big, thick, black, juicy USB cable that comes with two USB ports for the USB pass-through that's on the side of the keyboard. Also I believe a 3.5 millimeter audio jack for the audio pass-through on the side of the keyboard as well, that I will show you momentarily. USB plugs come with green coloring, because Razer gotta keep that company brand colors on deck. So take off these, and that leaves us with a keyboard and a wrist rest. So this is the wrist rest that comes with the keyboard as well. Nice spongy material, quality finish, because Razer makes quality products. As you can see there is an embossed, fairly defined logo. I know, yeah, there, I'm trying to see if it can show up on the camera for you guys. Focus, there you go. So you can see the logo there, the Razer logo, and that's magnetized, that goes to the bottom of the keyboard here. It snaps into place and it stays there for the most part. Let's take off this plastic. So you have the armrest that goes right there, magnetized, so it snaps into fit. If you don't want to use the wrist rest, then that's fine as well, because it technically covers up the Razer logo that's here, that I do believe lights up once the keyboard is powered on. Also, this model comes with its own media button control, so you have your volume, play, stop, fast forward, etc. Those are nice and spiffy. They also light up when you go full on RGB mode. Like I mentioned before, the USB pass-through on the side of the keyboard in case you have any external devices that you may run out of USB ports on your motherboard that you want to utilize, as well as the audio pass-through right there. And I do believe that's more or less it for the keyboard as a whole. It comes with kickstands, adjustable kickstands, as do most awesome keyboards. There's one level there that you can adjust them to, as well as a secondary layer right there. You see there's two, so depending on how high you want it, you can do that. So that's pretty cool. Gonna be having fun getting all of this set up. Still waiting on the last bit of our Black Friday haul to come in. We'll do an unboxing video for that monitor when it gets here. Really looking forward to it because it's a pain in the ass not having a secondary monitor. So with that being said, thanks for continuing to support the channel. If you are interested in this keyboard, then I'll put the link in the description to the keyboard as well if you want to cop one for yourself. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing video. This is what everything looks like once it's all plugged in. You got the RGB going ham. You got the charging dock right there going ham. You got the mouse over here going ham. And you got your keyboard over here with your mouse pad going ham. All these lovely RGB lights.